guys, I have this. Oops, sorry. I have this. Okay, I'll show you everything I have, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with all this great stuff. Okay. Then I have this rack here. Okay. Now with this rack, I have 2 hooks. Now I also have a dog bed, but it's my cat's bed. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. And I hope you're shocked and surprised what I'm going to do. I will keep you updated though. So here we are. We got our kitty food pad on here. We went ahead and screwed it on so it's not going anywhere. And now we have our base. So let's see what it looks like with the kitty bed in there. All right, here we are. We have the food bowls here. And then we also have our bed. And I'm so excited. I have a very senior kitty and she's gonna love this. She doesn't like leaving her bed if she can help it. So this way she has her bed and her food and her water. She's gonna love it. So, all right, let's see how it looks when it's all up. And we are going to decorate Coda's bed. So we went ahead and got some letters here and we are going to color them in. So we're gonna see how well we do here. It's gonna be so cute to have Coda have her bed. We're also gonna decorate it with some bling because you know, it is Coda and she is a girl. So we wanna make sure that we bling her out. It wouldn't be right if we didn't. So we're definitely gonna bling her. Give her some bling. So we're gonna see how well this comes out. After I do the K, I'm gonna go ahead and do all the other letters. I'm actually holding the camera in my lap, so I'm hoping everything comes out great. Excuse the noise in the background, I apologize. Boy, I feel like I'm in kindergarten coloring all over again. Let's make sure we got all of it. All right, let's check it out. Let's see how this K came out. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. All right, we're gonna see all the rest of the letters. All right, we are back. Look how cute that came out. K-O-D-A, woohoo! All right, so now we have some bling. So we wanna go ahead and put some bling on. I got my hot glue gun here, and then we got some gems. We got some hearts, all different colors. And then we also have some gems. So we're gonna go ahead and start decorating this up and get it all pretty, all ready for Coda. You never see Coda on the camera because Coda's really old and she doesn't do anything. I'll be honest. She used to walk around all the time and active, but she's not anymore. I got her in, let me see if I can figure out the math when I got Coda. I got her when my daughter was, I want to say, I know she was driving. She started driving, so she must have been 16, and she is now 29. So I would say she's about 13 years old, give or take, maybe 14. She's still, I mean, she's still pretty active. You have to yell at her really loud for her to hear you. That's the bad part. But she does pretty good. So we're gonna do some, hopefully I don't glue my finger. I'm very known to glue my finger to everything, I'll tell you that. I super glued something the other day and I glued my finger to the container. I was like, okay, that was real smart of me. I know, funny, right? I was laughing myself. All right, let's put some glue on here. Whoa, 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 Sparky, where you going? Okay, there we go. Put some glue on there. Like I said, I don't want to glue my fingers. Okay, let's put a heart over here. Turn it a little. There we go. Wow, that's cute. Right, let's get another heart as I glue my fingers again. I haven't glued them yet, so that's a good thing. All right. Ooh, now the glue is really hot. Awesome. All right. Woo. Tell me that's not cute. Oh my goodness. My little Coda bear is gonna get a makeover. We've got some bling here, and we are going to bling out Coda's bed. So I thought about putting the super glue, not super glue, but the glue gun. And I think, let's see, I think I'm better off doing it this way. Thought about putting it on the back, but then I was afraid that if I do that, I'm gonna burn the heck out of my finger, because I'll tell you right now, I'm really known at doing that. Okay, let's see. Looks like I still need some on there. Bam. Aww. Coda's gonna have a cute little bed. All right, what do you guys think? You think I should put some down under here? I don't know. Let me decide. I'm not sure. I'm thinking maybe. What do you think? Think I should? Well, let's see what it might look like, and then we'll decide together. How's that sound? All right. What do you think? Okay, I agree. You're right. That would look good right there. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Let's put some glue on here. Oh, goodness, somebody sneezed. Bless you. Ooh, don't have me draw a straight line for you. We'll be all over the road doing a straight line. Okay. Uh-oh, we got a little heart. We don't need that heart. Okay. What do you think about that? I agree with you. Excellent. You guys came up with a great one there. I like that too. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get some glue on this side. Okay. Thank goodness we have see-through or clear hot glue instead of like a colored, because then we would see all the glue. I think we need some more hearts. We are definitely missing something. Let's see. Oops, we got glue going everywhere. Sorry. All right, let's see. Got these on there good. What else do we need? We do have some more hearts, so maybe we'll put a heart here and here. Let's see if we can find another pink heart to go over here on this side, and I think that would be cute. Okay, we do have a purple. Okay, here's a pink. get it out. Okay. I think Coda will like this. What do you guys think? Uh-oh. Oh man, it landed on, well, we can't use that one. Let's get a new one. Maybe I should glue the box like I did last time. Okay. I'll put it about right there. Okay. What do you think about that? Yeah, that's cute. I agree. I like that. Awesome applesauce. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put one over here. Come on, glue gun. There we go. All right. What you think? What you think? All right, you guys, here we are. I got Miss Coda. Coda, can you hear me? Coda, baby. There's Miss Coda. All right, so we got her in her spot. We got the shelf in here. As you can see, we got the kitty litter down there. She's got her scratching post, and she is all set to be the princess. All right, so there's Miss Coda. That's about all that she does, is she lays there and she's quiet and she's a good girl and she's precious. So, all right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share me out, and hey, leave me a comment.